Hello, friends. If you are using any of the media player on your system or on your laptop, then you have to use VLC Media Player that is free to download and use for playing media files. You can download and install VLC Media Player free of cost on your system and use for playing media files without any problem. So today in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how and from where to download the VLC Media Player and how to install it on your machine. So first of all, just open the website download.cnet.com and in the search apps click write VLC and press enter key. Here you will have two options. The first one is VLC Media Player for 64-bit operating system and the second one is VLC Media Player 32-bit system. You can choose any one of them as per your laptop or your computer specifications. I will click on VLC Media Player 64-bit because my machine is 64-bit. Click on it and click on download now button. In a while you will have the downloading started. Here download unverified file. If it gives you a message like this file cannot be verified because safe browsing is off, click on download and this will get the file downloaded. Once it is downloaded, then you have to click on this arrow option. This will open the installation of the player or of the software. Click on yes and then which is the language you want to use this software in. Click on OK. I will use English and then welcome to VLC Media Player setup. Click on next and then the license agreement, next, and then here is the list of plugins you want to use on this software. I will use the default options and click on next and then choose the folder or the location where you want to install this software. By default it will select the C, the program files. I will keep the default option and click on install. This will get the installation started and in a while it will be completed, and after that you can use the software. Meanwhile, if you have not liked this video and not subscribed to this channel, then please just subscribe to this channel for more such easy and beautiful tips on computers. So we got the VLC Media Player installed. Click on finish. Now click on continue, privacy and network access policy. Okay. Now we have the VLC Media Player on our system. You can close it, select it again from here, right, VLC. Now you have this on your system, run as administrator and yes. Here you can see the software is installed on your system. Now you can use it for playing any kind of file on your computer. So my friends, I hope you like this video. See you in next video tutorial. This is getting some plugins for this software. When these are completed, you can use this software. Meanwhile, here I will say goodbye to you. Thank you and take care.